We've now slashed the disability claims backlog by nearly 90% from its peak.
Since APEC started, we've slashed tariffs and barriers to trade and investment.
Slashed it by a third since March, and we're going to keep at it so you can get the benefits that you have earned and that you need when you need them.
As a trickle-down ideology became more prominent, taxes were slashed for the wealthiest, while investments in things that make us all richer, like schools and infrastructure, were allowed to wither.
So in 1893, a recession struck America. Pullman slashed his workers' pay. Some saw their wages fall dramatically. Deaths from malaria have been slashed, saving the lives of millions of African children. We've now slashed the disability claims backlog by nearly 90%. Slashed the African American dropout rate by almost 60%. And all of you have a computer in your pocket that gives you the world at the touch of a button. Now, from its peak, we've slashed that backlog by nearly 90%. We slashed our dependence on foreign oil, doubled our production of renewable energy,